Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'll be making fresh grape juice using grapefruit, some ginger and 1 lemon. Let's get into it. Thank you for watching. All right guys, you can see our grapes, fruit, they've all been peeled, and as well I dice them into sizes. Pop them into the blender and let's make some delicious juice. Amazing, guys. So these ones I did not cut them because this is a new juicer. I'm trying options. Okay, all right, so let's see how it's going to blade this one comfortably. All right, let's go. You can see our juicer is doing amazingly well. It's low noise and slow process, so it's going to get you all the nutrients from a particular fruit or vegetable that you want to juice. And you can see the shaft is looking dry, unlike when you use a fast or speed juicer, you still have a lot of moisture in the chaff. So I'm going to cover this and then get the lemon ready. So the next thing is to add our lemon. You can see I have a whole lemon here. Before you do that, make sure you roll it on your table so that you can get all the juices, you know. You don't have to leave anything behind. It will help you get all the juices out. So having done that, I'm gonna cut into 2. All right, so our lemon is here, and the next thing will be to squeeze it out. So, and then we get it in, squeeze. You can see you'll get more juice from the lemon if you roll it out than if you don't. I know you'll be saying that grape is already not sweet, why add lemon? Lemon also is very, very nutritious and very healthy. I'll be leaving the benefits of this fruit that we use today. And like I said, expect a lot of things from this channel. To be to stir in to mix the lemon very well. What we have here, we have grapefruit, we have ginger and lemon. Okay, I'm going to taste the grape juice.